Fred?
Kasi yung asawa mo.
Hindi ko alam. Sabi niya dito lang siya, diba? Kaya ano eh. Sabi dito.
Hello, Mrs. Chavez?
Nasaan yung asawa ko? Han? Kayo po ba yung nakausap ko?
Ay, oo. Kayo po si Mrs. Chavez?
Ako po. Salamat ha sa pag-alaga sa asawa ko. Han, okay ka lang ba?
Dinala mo siya rito ng security guard. Nakita raw mo siya na medyo masama po ang pakiramdam. Muntik pong matumba.
Hala ka?
Hindi, nahilo lang ako konti. Parang umigat lang yung paningin ko. Parang, sandali lang. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're
Agad
okay?
naman ho namin chinek ang vital signs. Yung BP po, normal naman po.
Sige po, salamat Han. Sigurado ka okay ka lang
I'm
ha?
fine. I'm fine.
Sige. Oo.
I'm
Wala
fine.
naman po. Wala. Okay na po.
Sure?
Thank you ulit.
Salamat
Po,
ha.
sige po.
Sige Han.
Ingat po.
You're seeing Irene again?
Dad, no. No, I'm not seeing her. I don't even know where she is. Dad, alam mo naman, mula nun, I haven't seen her. Ni message sa internet, wala. Nothing.
So, anong sinasabi mo? Paano kayo nagkita?
Oh, it's gonna be hard to explain, pero I see her everywhere.
Really? You're seeing things?
Yeah, I swear, one time I saw her at the mall. I swear. Pero minsan, kahit pinipikit ko lang yung mata ko, Dad, I see her.
Oh yeah, but why?
I have no idea. That's just it, eh. All these years na hindi ko man lang siya inisip. Hindi ko siya naalala, nothing. So I don't know why it's happening now. It's weird.
Well, sa tingin mo kaya itong mga visions or whatever you want to call them, may kinalaman dun sa mga distractions mo?
I don't know, Dad. Honestly, I don't see the connection, eh. But then again, I don't know.
Alam ba ng asawa mo?
No. Dad, she can't know. She can't know anything about Irene and I. Si Joanna kasi, hindi naman sobra, Dad, pero medyo may pagkasilosa siya. Kaya it will just complicate things more. You know?
Balay mo ko, anak, ha? To be honest, I don't know what to say. Maybe you should see a doctor. I don't know.
Sorry, Dad. I'll figure it out. I will.